And in this video I'll show you how to check YouTube live subscriber count on mobile. For that, go and open your search engine, and then you need to search for .youtube.com, and after opening that, after opening this, tap on your, and then after opening, tap with, and then after opening, continue, and after opening this site, tap on this continue to studio, and there you will see 3 button. Tap there, and you need to open desktop site for your convenience, or you can simply do this in this mobile site. And after that, just zoom in and tap on this continue button, and there you need to tap on this go to channel analytics. I haven't started live yet, so there will be nothing here, and you need to verify that it's me, and tap on next. And there, after tapping on next, I need to sign in my Google account, and it will be signed in. After signing in, there you will be, and there you will see the live subscriber count on mobile in this bar graph. Or also go on your audience, and there you will see everything about your channel. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.